First, clean your record with your favorite cleaning solution. Then take the O-ring, place it over the tip of your wet-dry vac hose. Then, from the bottom, secure the vac hose into the vinyl vac. Place the felt washer on the center spindle. Then you can either secure your vinyl vac to the center spindle, or if you have a tall spindle, you can either remove it or place the vinyl vac beside it on the felt washer. Then turn on your wet-dry vac, and we recommend you rotate in each direction 2 to 3 times slowly. Then slowly lift the vinyl vac off the record. To reduce the amount of suction, remove the bottom 2 couplings, choose your reducer, and place it inside. Then reattach the couplings. If you have an 1.5" hose, simply take off the bottom coupling only, slip the O-ring over the remaining coupling, and then attach your 1.5" hose. If you have any questions at all, please email us at info@vinylvac.net.